in my March seed list that I showed, I said I had some unknown tomato seeds, small, possibly one of the multifloras. I realised there weren't tomato seeds. They're my true potato seeds that I saved. Luckily I realised that before I sowed them, otherwise I'd have sowed 6. So I sowed a tray of seeds 10 days ago, and they've all started to come up now. I think there's about 4 cells in this 40 cell tray that doesn't have any in. I oversowed because I had no idea how they'd react, how they'd grow. But a lot of them seem to have come through. So what I'm going to do, maybe it's not tonight though, is cut these down so there's a lot less per cell. And rather than pull them out and disturb the roots, what I tend to do is to go through, bunch them together and just snip them off. Those stems will die back. I don't disturb the roots of the ones that I want to keep. Yeah, and that just gives more space for the survivors. But I've done earlier than later, so there's not much of a root system on the dead ones. And I might leave, just for now, I might leave 2 or 3 in each cell, just to make sure I get a strongish one surviving.